The Horticultural Art Society was founded in 1962, and our mission is to beautify the community and provide horticultural knowledge. And this demonstration garden is our biggest project. After the children's garden, you continue into our vegetable bed. This is a monarch way station. So we have some nectar providing and food providing plants that the monarchs and other butterflies enjoy. A bit of our art from the Horticultural Art Society. And we've recently put a nice fence around it to keep the resident rabbits out. And the bed features a lot of all-American selections, which are great because they're tested and proven to grow well in the garden, sir. Entering into the vegetable bed, we have some nice raised beds. Check out these icicle eggplants. There's some lovely eggplants in there. We have several all-American pepper varieties. There's a Buffy F1, a Red Impact, a Wildcat Dragonfly, and Sanjo Queen. Bunch of watermelons. Those are looking nice. Continuing around, we have a grapevine, some beautiful cucumbers there. These squash plants, zucchinis, tomatoes, more tomatoes. Lots of leafy veggies, more squash, more tomatoes. We have some all-American peas there. They're past it, but they were wonderful. Green light cucumbers growing up over this. There they are hanging in there. And that's our vegetable beds. We've recently added irrigation. Some nice green beans down there. I think I might be having green beans for lunch. I'm gonna highlight our farmer here. It's our rusty farmer. He's got a young apple tree behind him. Apples in the future. Here's one of the signs that describes our mission. Cultivate beautiful public gardens, connect, enrich, inspire people of the Pikes Peak region. So that wraps up the tour of the Horticultural Art Society demonstration garden. Hope you've enjoyed it. Come out and visit. And if you see some volunteers, say hi and ask us any questions you have.